Title 10, Crimes Against Property. Article 293, who are guilty of robbery. Article 294, robbery with violence against or intimidation of person. 294, robbery with physical injuries committed. Robbery with physical injuries committed in an inhabited place and by a band or with a use of firearm on a street, road or alley. 296, definition of a band and penalty incurred by the member thereof. 297, attempted and frustrated robbery committed under certain circumstances. 298, execution of deeds by means of violence or intimidation. 299, Article 299, robbery in inhabited house or public building or edifice devoted to worship. Article 300, robbery in uninhabited place and by a band. Article 301, what is Article 301, what is in inhabited house, public building or building dedicated to religious worship and their dependencies. Article 302, robbery is an inhabited place or in a private building. 303, robbery of cereals, fruits or firewood in an inhabited place or a private building. 304, 304, possession of pickaxe or similar tools. 305, false keys. 306, who or brigands penalty. Articles 307, aiding and abetting a band of brigands. 308, who are liable for theft. 309, penalties. 310, qualified theft. 310, qualified theft.